Guess and check is going to take too long, especially when the numbers have too many possibilities. I want a guaranteed method, so just write these down in your notes. This is guaranteed as long as it's factorable. This is my favorite method to put them into two binomials. Maybe because I'm Asian, I like to teach the Karate Kid style. In Karate Kid, the Asian teacher, Mr. Miyagi, showed different skills. And then you put all the skills together and you eventually learn how to kick some butt. So this is putting all your skills that you learned into one problem. A is 4, B is -9, and C is -9 as well. So what is A times C? If you multiply A times C, you get what? -36. What's your B term? -9. All right, now you got to sit there and think. What are two numbers that when you multiply them, you get -36, but when you add it, you get -9? That's the most painful part. And this is the skill that you just learned. If this number is negative, then what do you know about the two exact numbers? One of them has to be negative. So think of a combination that gets me 36.
6 and 6.
So one of them 6 and 6. Let's just list it on the side. 6 and 6. Is 6 and 6 going to add up to -9?
No.
No. So that combination's bad. Give me another one. Stop blanking out. You're staring at the chair. 3 times what? 3 times 9?
Wait, no.
9 times 4. That's another one. Will 9 times 4 add up to get you -9? 12 and 3. If you add those and one of them has to be negative, will that get it for you? Yes. The thing is, the order matters. If that's negative, then which one out of 12 and 3 have to be negative? The 12. You're going to rewrite your B term using these two numbers. We're going to keep 4x squared the same. Instead of -9x, we're going to change it with the two numbers we found. -12x, +3x, and we're going to keep our C term, -9. We didn't change anything. We just put it into 4 terms. Once you have 3 terms, why turn it into 4 and make it complicating? So that's called what? Factor by grouping. There you go. It's easier to factor by grouping than guess and check. I don't like guess and check. It takes too long. At least this is organized and you got a game plan. What's the biggest number that you can divide? Greatest common factor of 4 and 12. You could take 2, but there's something larger. What'd you say? 4. So you can divide 4 and 12 by 4. Take that on the outside. Do they have a common variable? You can take out 1x. Divide it by 4x. Stomach just grumbled. If they hear that on the video.
Oh,
Your stomach ever grumbles and you feel like other people hear it?
All the time.
But people don't hear it, right?
Maybe the microphone picked it up.
Maybe. So what's left over in the inside? 1x, -3. So your goal for the other set of parentheses, once you factor it, is to get the same parentheses. So 1, look at this one, the second group. What can you take out of the second group? A 3. But can you take out an x?
Oh, no.
Why are you guys saying no?
Because there's only one.
There's only one here. This one doesn't have one. If you take out a 3, what are you left with? Just an x, which is 1x, and what? -3. What am I going to put on the first box, or first set of parentheses? Now I forgive you for being late. And what do I put in the second one? At least this is organized. At least this is organized. You don't have to play with numbers in your head. You have a game plan. That's really what you get out of math.